To create your own Snapguide, tap Create and give your Snapguide a title. Tap Next. Let's add some more information to our first page, so let's tap our first page, and we have the option to add a summary. We're going to use the dictation feature built into iPad 3 by tapping the microphone icon in the Add a Summary field and then dictating. Create how-to guides in minutes. Let's add some supplies. Tap to add supplies. Tap in the field, start typing. Thank you autocorrect, we'll accept that. And thank you autocorrect, we'll tap that, and we're done. Back. Okay, let's add some steps by tapping Add Step at the bottom of the screen. Let's add some text first. We'll add a welcome to our Snapguide. Done. Okay, I think it's time to add some actual steps. Let's choose some photos to add to our Snapguide. When you tap the Add Photos button, you're greeted with the camera, and at the moment I'm taking a picture of my speaker. To take a photo, simply tap the camera icon at the bottom, and then we can tap to preview that. Actually, I think that's useless, so I tapped to delete. On the bottom right, I can slide to video camera mode and tap the record button to record a 60-second clip. Tap the record button again to finish. Tap to preview. That's pretty boring. Tap done and trash it. Okay. Another way to get images and video into your Snapguide is to tap load at the top of the screen and tap camera roll or photo stream, and that will bring up the camera roll section of your iPad. I took some screenshots earlier of Snapguide, and I'm going to tap 3 of them now to select and tap done. And Snapguide automatically creates 3 pages in my guide. I've tapped the first one and I'm going to add a caption. Step 1. You could use much more descriptive language for your steps, because clearly it is step 1. This is step 2. But this is the idea. Done and back, and this is step 3. Done. Back. Next, we're ready to publish. All we need is a cool cover. So I'm going to tap the camera icon, and we have a number of choices, but I'm going to choose a picture from the very guide that we've just made. I like that photo because I think it sums up what one does. Let's choose a topic from the bottom, and this is a technology Snapguide, and we're ready to publish, so tap Publish. We have an opportunity to share our guide at this screen. I'm going to copy URL so that I can share on websites, blogs, Moodle, etc., and tap Done. And there it is. That is our Snapguide. And just like every other Snapguide, I can jump to by tapping Jump to, and I can like it. What's not to like? Let's close that, and you see that we're taken to the Me tab, and there's our most recently published guide and our liked guides. Because we liked it just a moment ago, it appears there as well. We have a number of choices at this point. We can tap to read, or tap Me to get back. We can tap the blue Edit button, and we can add steps and then republish to the web without having to relink for any of our followers. And that is almost it, except what if you don't like it? Well, just like in many other iOS programs, simply swipe from right to left on your Snapguide and tap Delete, and no one will ever have to read your Snapguide again. And that is how you publish a Snapguide.